A for apple, B for butterfly, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ink, J for jacket, K for king, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for van, W for watch, X for x-ray, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra.